Hello everyone, today in front of me I have this Motorola Moto G22 smartphone, and in this video I would like to demonstrate all the ways that you can take a screenshot on this device, as well as how you can enable the screen recording. So let's go ahead and start. The first way to take a screenshot is by opening the recent apps by tapping on this square. For example, let me open up the Play Store application, and here we have this screenshot icon and text on the bottom part of our display. So all you gotta do in order to take a screenshot is to tap on this button, and it will take the screenshot of the most recent active application. The second way to take a screenshot, in prior of which I'll show how you can enable it, is tied with the gestures. So here at the search bar of settings, type in screenshot, and make sure to find the 3-finger screenshot setting, and just if the switch is disabled, just turn it on. And now if we want to take a screenshot, we can simply press 3 fingers anywhere at the screen, and as you can see, the screenshot is being successfully taken. And in order to start the screen recording on this device, you gotta open up the control and notification panel. Here look for the screen record shortcut. Here we have it. If you don't have it at the notification panel, just tap on this pencil and look for it at the not used shortcuts. In my case, it is already at the control curtain, so I can just go ahead, tap on it, choose if I want to record the audio and show touches on the screen, and start. Here you have the backwards countdown. And the screen recording process have been successfully started. In order to finish it, just swipe down for the notification panel and control center to appear. Tap on the stop button, and your recording will be successfully stopped. And here you will receive the notification from which you can access your screen recording, as you can see. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.